Well, hello all, Ellarie here. Today's video, as you can see, I am transforming my daughter Yoshi into Moa, as if she didn't already look like Moa. She's not here right now because it was her idea of how we would intro this video. So I'm just gonna go along with it, let her get her producer skills on, okay? Powers, oh powers, let them combine and turn this girl into a child of mine. Bippity, boppity, boop.
Hi guys!
Oh my god, the magic trick worked! You're so smart! So this is Yoshi, my daughter. If you guys don't know her, make sure you are subscribed to her channel at Yoshidoll and her Instagram at Yoshidoll. She's trying to contain herself because she's a character. But this video specifically is for my channel. She's gonna have her own version on hers. So basically, I'm going to give her this look I have right here. Now, FYI, if you do not like children wearing makeup, it makes you too sensitive. You don't understand that this is just for entertainment purposes, click off now. Yoshi, do you wear makeup normally in everyday life?
No. Do
you only wear makeup when we're doing like fun videos like this?
Yes.
So, okay. Now, this is just for fun, and yeah, it's fun. Anyways, we're about to get started. Like I said, this is gonna be her final look. We already have, you know, the matching tank tops on. Hers is a little baggy because it's mine. And I'm gonna give her the full Ellarie treatment. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so I'm gonna carve out these eyebrows. You don't have to flinch, it's not gonna hurt. Yes, girl, it's like a little eyebrow massage.
It'll feel massaging to me.
It hurts?
No.
Alright, so.
But it still doesn't feel like massage.
It doesn't feel like massage. You have the prettiest eyebrows.
Oh, yes, she does. Oh my god. Not me.
Girl, you see that eyebrow? You see it! You see it!
Oh my god.
What's wrong?
I look like Angry Bird.
Your eyebrows are done.
Done. Lipstick.
It's not time for lipstick yet, Thirstmagers. Now we're gonna beat this face. Put you on a little primer.
Say what? Yeesh. Oh my god, that's not me.
And now we're gonna put in some foundation. This is CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. This is what I have on, what I have been using lately.
Oh my god.
What? You're starting to look like me?
Yes!
Is that a bad thing? Is that a bad thing?
No.
Okay. You tried it. Look up. Girl, you don't have no bags.
I don't.
Bags are like dark circles under your eyes. So you don't need concealer. We're just doing this for tutorial purposes. This is what mommy uses. Because mommy doesn't have big bags, but she got like little purses under her eyes.
Oh.
And then I put it down my nose.
I look like a warrior.
A little bit on the chin. You got your daddy chin.
I got so tan right now.
I'm about to sauce you with some sauce.
Sauce. This looks very interesting.
Mm-hmm.
Goodness gracious.
And you're all done.
I'm done?
I'm just kidding.
I was gonna say.
Alright, let me blend this in, baby.
Ah, putting in my eye, dude.
Dude? Who you calling a dude? Dude?
I so look like you. Like, oh my god.
Like, oh my god, Becky. She looks just like me.
You looked like this so. You looked like this earlier.
When I was doing my makeup?
Yeah.
Oh my god. You do look like me. So crazy. It's so crazy.
The eyebrows remind me of Halloween when I was Moana.
Well, I made your eyebrows look funny on Halloween. They didn't look
funny.
They didn't look this snatched, girl.
How dare you? And the people that and when we went to a house, the people were like, "Oh, we were just wondering if there's gonna be a Moana."
And here you come.
Yeah, come walk through Wonderland.
All right, now time for the contour, which is my favorite part because I'm gonna chisel your face.
What is chisel?
I'm gonna chisel it.
What's chisel?
I'm gonna cut it up.
Wow!
Cut it.
Goodbye.
Cut it.
Goodbye.
What? I was just kidding. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Oh, your cheeks is way too hot. I need to cut it. Your face is way too flat. I need to cut it.
Bye, guys.
Girl.
Yoshidoll signing out.
So I'm gonna get this CoverGirl bronzer. And I am just going to dab this around the face to give her the appearance of a smaller 5 head and to chisel out these cheeks. Make you look like you have Janet Jackson cheeks.
Who's Janet Jackson?
Who is Janet Jackson? Have I taught you nothing?
I know who Jessica Jones is.
I don't even know who Jessica Jones is. You want to be a cover girl?
Yeah.
Me too, girl.
She's not kidding about she has a lot of makeup. Every time she has a package in the mail, it's always makeup.
Makeup.
Makeup. Okay.
Alright, and now I'm going to warm up your face with a little bit of MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. Look up.
Lavish. Ready. Wait. Ready.
You sure about that? What's living in there?
Ready.
Oh, I forgot to chisel your nose. Give you a little baby Moana nose. Baby Moana was cute, huh? Remember baby Moana?
Yeah, she's so adorable. Move out, baby Moana. There's a new Moana in town.
Moana? Who's Moana?
She's alive inside the sea.
Oh, Lord.
She's alive inside the sea. It calls me. No one knows how deep it goes. She's alive, she wants to see.
Girl, that is not even English. The machine, a machine.
It calls me. No one knows how far it goes. I am water.
Woo, child. Got a little boogie in there.
Hey! You better take off that part when your video this.
Now you're ashamed of your boogers when you used to eat them.
I'm gonna wrestle you. I just pulled out her boobs, guys.
Be quiet.
I think I'm getting from shaming me.
So, girl, catch the glow. Turn your head this way.
Watch, guys. Don't you dare click off this video. Get this. Wait, Mommy.
Can you be still?
How many followers do I have? I remember somebody asked me.
On Instagram, you have 191,000.
I'm not gonna be able to remember that.
On YouTube, you have 91,000.
Of course, I have more on YouTube.
But you can have more. Actually, 191 is more than 91, sweetie.
No.
You've been out of school too long.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
In my bank account. Hey, in my bank account. Hey.
Goodness gracious. That can award me?
Look at that highlight. It's too much, but
I like too much.
I'm just adding some.
Glittery. Hey, look, I have your lips.
You do, girl. You cute. All right, now time for the eyes. You ready? This is very easy. I don't really do much on my eyes. Just a little primer. Close your eyes. And then I just get my face powder and I just go over my lids. So I just put it a little in the crease. It's eyeshadow. I'm gonna put a little highlighter in the inner corners. Give you a little inner corner glow. Mommy loves her a good wing liner.
Oh my god! Oh my god. I'm speechless.
Alright, now let's put in this other lash. Ooh, girl.
This one looks more on the lash.
Girl, don't act like a client now.
Every client. Oh goodness. I have a picture that Vegas is gonna have to do.
Girl. Alright, girl, let's do these lips. That's what you've been waiting for, right? That's what she's been waiting for. Alright, so for my lips and for hers, I'm using my collab with ColourPop, the Ellarie pencil and the Renmin Ultra Satin Lip. Like go like as if like you're fake happy. Like no, like that's good. That's good. Now let me put the Vivian Men on you, doll.
Are you gonna put it over the purple?
I sure am. Can't forget the moles, girl.
Which moles?
My moles. The black dots
You're
on my
putting
face.
those on me?
You don't want them? Girl, they're called beauty marks.
Just said the moles.
Well, they're called moles, but I mean, you're supposed to be me, and I got moles. So when you get older, you'll have them too.
No!
Oh, please. They're cute.
Oh my god, it looks just like yours. And it's my fiance.
Girl, don't push it. Alright, now time for the head wrap. Brush out your baby hair first. I'm using the Fashion Killer Extensions Edge Control. That's what I use when I wear my head wraps, because it keeps them slick. And normally I wear a wave cap under mine because I don't have this big, thick, luxurious hair. But you don't need one, so I'm just going to put the wrap on.
I think my hair looks fine. I just think it should make it straight.
Okay, but you're supposed to look like me, not like you.
Oh yeah.
These wraps are from Wrap Queens. Every wrap that I've worn on my channel has been from Wrap Queens.
Name is Zara. And I'm the best because I go to school and I pass my test.
What? What? Turn the other side.
Yay!
Close your eyes and I'm gonna hold you down.
What?
Close your eyes.
Okie dokie. Goodness, mommy.
Turn the other way. Turn. I need some too.
Whoa. Hot. Oh, it's because we're hot?
No, it's setting spray, but I'm hot, so I just wanted some more. All right, so let's see our final look. Are we not twins?
We are two twins. I can't tell which one of us are which.
You can't?
No.
How are we going to determine who's who?
Maybe because of the height.
The height? Okay, now I'm the same height as you. Now what?
What
We gotta answer a question. My boyfriend's name is Logan. Oh, nobody was supposed to know that?
No!
Okay, sorry. My favorite color are pink and purple. Just pink. My favorite thing to eat is Alfredo pasta.
I have way more favorite things.
I know, but that's the main thing you asked for. My favorite toys to play with are LOL dolls. I love to watch Barbie movies on Netflix. No?
Glitter Force.
Glitter Force. I mean, they're Barbies, so I don't know the difference.
They're not Barbies.
I don't know what they are. They look like Barbies to me. Anyways, I love school. One of my best friends at school's name is Maybelline, and I also love Mary Catherine and Claire. And
Reese and Tessa.
And Reese and Tessa. Let's not forget those gals. And my favorite thing to do for fun is go swimming.
Yeah. My favorite color is black. I like watching grown-up movies that are usually all about killing.
What? She's talking about like Law and Order and stuff. Anyways, carry on.
Anywho, I like to sleep in the morning because I'm lazy.
Oh my gosh. What else? What else? Like, do you have to say about me?
I go in my daughter's bathroom when it's closed. And I do my makeup every 5 minutes. I buy my daughter the same necklace as me.
Well, yours is a teddy bear and mine's is a heart.
Yeah, it's kind of.
They don't sell my heart anymore. So I had to get you something close. So this is close, right?
Yeah, because there's a swan too.
Yours is shinier than mine though, because it's newer. Mine's is like 7 years old.
7?
Mm-hmm.
Just like me.
I know, I got it when you were in my tummy.
Ooh.
When is the time where I'm having like the most fun and I'm laughing?
Okay. How about when I say something that makes you laugh?
You're always my favorite thing to do for fun?
Yeah, because usually when I say something, you always laugh.
Because you're funny. I think you make everybody laugh.
Yeah, this girl at school named Cat from New York talked about her, and I always make her laugh at lunch. Carry on.
Anyways, I hope you guys liked Yoshi's transformation into me. I mean, technically she didn't need the whole shebang because she's my twin. I prayed for it when she was in my stomach. Please, Lord, let her be my twin. And it happened. But, you know, she wanted to wear makeup, so I just gave her, you know, my normal makeup routine. And I think, are you feeling yourself?
Yeah.
And she's feeling herself. She doesn't get to do this often. We just do this for fun. She's about to take this off.
Aww.
Yeah, you're
we'll
not.
Show Nana and Kelly and Daddy.
We can show people in the house, but you're not.
We'll show Daddy.
We'll take a picture.
Yay.
But you're not going out the house like this. I don't need people calling you a prostitute. Okay?
What's a prostitute?
Nothing. If you guys want to see more from Yoshi, make sure you follow her on her channel, Yoshidoll.
If you want to see my mommy, follow her on her channel.
What's my channel?
Ellarie.com.
No, it's actually Ellarie's World. But thanks. Yeah, that's it. And until next time, love you guys.
Bye. Hope you guys have an awesome summer. Yoshida, 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 God. Yoshida, 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 God.